Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to KasturiKreation. Today I am going to be working with two different materials. I am combining together two different art mediums to form a new art piece. We can also call it mixed media. Mixed media is often seen in the form of assemblies. Here I have created a fusion of acrylic pouring paintings and resin craft. First, I am applying gesso all over the canvas. Here I am using seafoam green and white titanium fluid acrylic paint. This is pouring medium. I have mixed well 2 parts of each color with 1 part of pouring medium. After mixing well, I have poured straight on the canvas in ring patterns using 2 hole cuts. Don't be hesitant to pour, just go with the flow. Please stick with me through this level. Filling the empty spaces with the base color, have added some Emix metallic foliage fluid paint and 24 karat liquid gold to make it more vibrant. Now let it dry. These are previously crafted cute resin pieces. I did not make any videos when I had done all these, but can make short video for sure on the easy processing of this type of resin item to give you brief idea. Breathing highly concentrated epoxy resin vapor can irritate the respiratory system, so you should always wear mask and gloves. Please follow all safety instructions of the manufacturers. Once it becomes dried, I have added all 3 resin crafted items properly on the canvas. Now I am pouring the resin on the items for getting hardly fixed with the canvas and spreading the resin all over the canvas evenly. No dimpling, no up and down is going to be happened with evenly placed canvas. So make it sure. You should always use hot air gun to make the resin bubble free. The end results are going to be amazing. I always love to coat my all artifacts with resin for its longevity and its glossy, crystal clear, shimmery effects. One more thing you should know that finished hardened epoxy products are practically non-toxic and harmless unless they are burned. Cured epoxy resin items are safe for direct food contacts. So I love this artifact. Hope you all like this and get different type of idea. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, please like, as your one like means a lot to me. So be open-minded and please subscribe if you would like to see more fun stuff with KasturiKreation.